max, turn it off for about 10 seconds to let it try and get the IAC reacclimated, and that happens. I'm gonna try one more time.